And also, this is DIY two-way color system. This is manuality. There is red LED and this is green LED. When you make alarm, when you make alarm, this make the manuality will flash and make the beep alarm sounds. Beep 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 just like this. Okay, this is manuality antenna. Okay. Now this is USB. This manuality has a battery inside. It can be chargeable. Okay. Also, you can get the power from the car inside this USB to this slot. This is the Sega. Yes. Just like this. And this is learning button. If remote lost the code, you can press this button to learn remote to manuality. You can watch, you can read the manual. Okay. This is sensitivity knob. The right one is for air pressure knob. Anti-clockwise is sensitivity. Anti-clockwise. This is the sensitivity will be higher along with you turn the knob as anti-clockwise. When you clockwise, this clockwise is sensitivity now. Okay, this is shock alarm. The left one is for shock detection adjustment. Okay, this one. Okay, now I clip this is manuality to this sound visor, just like this, to the remote. Okay, there's one way, the two-way remote. Okay. This is 12 wireless siren. Collects siren to this car battery. This is positive, this is negative pole, positive pole. This radio cable. This is wireless. Please remember. Okay, wireless. It will work if you trigger alarm. Okay. Now I press arm. This is in arm and this in arm. Yes, it will make one sound. Yes, two sound. Yes, two siren, two sounds. Arm. Yes. Arm. Yes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.